Do you like smartphones and laptops? Today, we're going to draw both of them in a super easy way. Ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the smartphone. Draw a tall rectangle. Now draw another rectangle inside it. This will be the display screen. Draw a tiny button at the bottom. Draw a lovely heart shape in the middle of the display. Now let's draw the laptop. First, draw a heart shape above where the laptop screen will be. Under the heart, draw a large rectangle. Then draw another rectangle inside it.
Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Next, draw another rectangle below the screen. This will be the keyboard area. Then draw a touchpad in the middle. Now draw lots of little keys. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Trace over all the lines carefully. Wow, looking awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show the color pens. Pink color.
Wow!
Red color.
Please subscribe my channel.
Orange color. Blue color. Cream color. Purple color. Green color. Awesome! Your smartphone and laptop look bright, colorful, and beautiful. Fantastic work, little artists! Today we learned how to draw a smartphone and a laptop step by step. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep learning.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.